Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash that like button to show your support. Helps out a whole bunch. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. This here is the PowerCraze Safari Racer from Walmart. And this is a 1/24th scale little Jeep, I guess you can say it is. It's not four-wheel drive, it's two-wheel drive, but this thing is fully proportional. But this little guy is the second generation to the PowerCraze Dune 24, which I have here. Now the Dune 24 was an awesome little racer. I did do a review on this one, so I'll have a link in description for my review of this one in case you guys want to check that out. Now the Dune 24 did come with two sets of tires. One set of tires were hard like these here on this one. The other set is on the vehicle. These are the softer, more grippier tires for this guy. And sad to say, the Safari Racer did not come with these extra tires, but these do fit on the Safari Racer. They're the exact same size. This little racer has the same exact chassis as this Rock Racer here. If I flip them over, you guys can see it's the exact same layout and all, same chassis. However, it does have this Jeep Safari type body on it. That's the first apparent difference that we see with these guys. This one does have a light bar up here, really nice light bar. Let me turn it on so you guys can see that. Hopefully you can see there's a pretty bright light bar here. There's two headlights in the front and no headlights in the back. When you first turn it on, it appears that way, but check it out. Once you get this guy bound up to the transmitter, then the red lights do turn on and they do respond to the turns. I guess you have to have throttle going, so check it out. You can see the flashing for left and right. The flashes only work for the rear. The protocol is a different protocol, so you cannot bind this one up to this previous version. But then there's also 3 rates on this. The light brightness of the light bar and the headlights change when you go to each rate. It starts out in the second rate, so 3 beeps is third rate. Back to first rate. You see how dim the light bars and everything got? We're in first rate, second rate, third rate. This one only had 2 rates, and it had that same deal going on where you see the headlights get brighter when you're in the highest rate. And so this one does seem like it's the exact same speed as this one in the highest rate, but it does benefit from a middle rate. It does have brakes on it. I was going to say it didn't have brakes, but the brakes are really, really weak. Check it out. It still rolls a lot with the brakes. I didn't think it has brakes, but it does. Pretty decent little RC, in my opinion. I like this one a little better, but I really do wish that this one came with the softer wheels. I think I might swap out these wheels for the softer wheels on this version here, because I like this one better with the headlights and all, and that big light bar there. I'm thinking about FPV in this one, putting a little camera inside here in the back seat or somewhere in there. I might find somewhere to put a camera. It does have steering trim for left and right, and we have the speed button there and the on and off switch, and that's all the options that we have for the transmitter. The transmitter does take 3 AA batteries, and so let's get this guy running so you guys can check it out. This is the lowest speed. That's full speed. Full speed reverse. So we're in low speeds right now. Kind of struggling. Okay, so let's go to Mid speed starts out in mid speeds. Pretty fast in mid speeds. So let's go to its highest speed. Go. The speed is way too high for it to make a small turn on a flat surface at the high speed. Check it out. Once we get to the flat surface, it kind of makes a wide turn. It's the tightest turn radius it can do. And this is the slowest it can go. So all in all, I think this is the best offering of a fully proportional controlled vehicle from Walmart so far. Thanks for watching.